Hi and welcome back. My name is Emily. In this video I will share with you how you can create your own background pattern in a really quick and easy way. So here you can see the finished project that we are going to create today. So I started off by using this new stamp set from Trinity Stamps called Shake Your Bones, and for making this into a Halloween or a fall card, I used a couple of colors that I think scream fall to me. Maybe they don't to you, but for me this lime green, really vibrant orange, and lilac color here, or yeah, you can see all the colors, really screams fall. And I really went to town with my blending brushes here from Trinity Stamps. I know that some of these colors create like this muddy brown color, and I didn't mind that at all, because I also am going in with a brown distress ink on top, just to make sure that I am having this creepy background. And I'm going in a little bit more heavy with my colors. You can see I'm creating these dots. It's not a smooth or perfect blend at all, and I don't mind it. So I didn't spend a lot of time creating this background. I just wanted to make sure that I have a color palette that I really liked, because I'm going to cover up all of those hard edges with my stamped skeletons here. So I'm going to use a couple of acrylic blocks that I have in my stash. Some are Lawn Fawn, some are from Trinity Stamps, and some are no particular brand at all. And I'm using Versa Mark ink here, and I am pressing it down. And I should say, before I did this, I made sure that my panel was completely dry. I actually waited to the day after before I created this, but if you are impatient and don't want to spend the time waiting, you could also heat set it and like check it if it's ready with just some embossing powder without any ink on it. And if it sticks to some parts, then you know it's not ready and you have to heat set it a little bit more. And an anti-static powder tool is also a really helpful tool to have in your stash when you are creating with embossing powder, and especially when you're covering up a large area like this, because when you're heat setting the first images, you are smearing it with your fingers, and the oil from your fingers is the perfect like bonding for the embossing powder, unfortunately. So make sure that you're using the anti-static powder tool between every time you are embossing, and you're good to go. So the embossing powder that I used are the gilded embossing powder, and that is one of my favorites. And I will cut this slightly down and mount it on top of a black panel, just to tie into our theme here with that creepy feeling. And I also use some gold paper, gold mirror paper I should say, and cut it out of an older die set that says hello, also from Trinity Stamps. And in that same Shake Your Bones stamp set, there is a lot of coordinating sentiments that you can use, and they have their own separate dies. I will link up in the right corner here to a video with a close-up that I created for this stamp set, and it also comes with this break a leg, and I think that is super adorable. Just such a cheerful and fun card to send away to somebody, and with all of these skeletons in the background. And I used some gold bubbles to finish this card off, just to tie everything together with my gold theme here. And that pretty much finished this card off. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. And until next time, have a great day. Bye!